Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this hair dryer that I got sent out. And let me tell you that I am really surprised with the design. It is really lightweight. It includes this part so you can filter the air and also the hair dryer. It has these nice buttons, and every time that you press them they will light up. This button is to control the air temperature, and this is to control the speed of the air. And if you click on the other button, it turns the air cold. And then accessory has a magnet on it, so you can just take it off by pulling it up and off. And this is to turn it on or off. Now let's start using it. Let's plug it on to the power outlet and see how it works. Let's just turn it on, and it has that air cool. Let's adjust the settings to your liking, and as you can see, it turns different colors, which are very modern and cool. As I told you before, it's very lightweight, very easy to use. I have been using it since I got it, and I'm loving it. See how the hair looks. It looks really healthy, and I think that I am obsessed with it.